So, the second topic that I'm going to discuss to you is muscular system. So, first of all, what is muscular system? Mite muscles are striated and the number of muscles in mites is reduced as compared to insects. So, yung muscle ng mite ay striated po siya, which means they are highly organized muscles. So, naka-organize yung mga muscles nila. The two main types of muscles in mites are intrinsic and extrinsic. So, yung intrinsic muscles extend over the joints of leg segments and are flexors. So, yung intrinsic muscles, ito yung mga smaller muscles can be found in legs of mites. Intrinsic muscles actions result in flexion. Extrinsic muscles consist of dorsiventral, oblique, rotator, and elevator muscles. Extrinsic muscles originate and insert on the body wall. So, yung extrinsic muscle, ito yung mga groups are the long flexors and extensors. And most muscles in mice are dorsiventral and modify the shape of the body by modifying the turgor pressure of the body fluids. Hydrostatic pressure are also causes the extension of the chelicerae, palps, and legs. Other muscles in mites include those associated with the malpighian tubules, vaginal walls, and heart if present, as well as the chelicerae. So, yung hydrostatic pressure, ito yung pressure of the blood against body wall. So, yung intrinsic and extrinsic type of muscles are found in mites. So, these are both found in mites. So, dun po natin sila makikita. So, as you can see in the figure, yung legs of mites typically are segmented with a cossa, trochanter, femur, genu, tibia, tarsus, and pretarsus. So, yung yung cossa, ito yung first basal segment of the leg of a mite. And yung trochanter naman, ito yung between the cossa and femur. And this is the most basal movable leg segment or the pedomere forming joint with the body. And yung femur naman, this is the major leg segment between the trochanter and genu. And yung tarsus, this is the most distal from the body. And yung pretarsus, ito yung pinakalas. This is the sucker-like membrane associated with the claws at the end of the legs. So, yung dito sa my right diagram naman, this is the a diagram of extrinsic body muscles in a mite. Mites can contract their body with the dorsiventral, which means yung dorsiventral muscles, ito yung extending along or pa-vertical yung pagka-connect ng mga muscles nila. So even na maliliit yung legs ng mga mites natin, may mga muscles pa rin sila which is striated or very organized sila. Organized yung mga tissues nila. So, their legs also used for the walking and running, but in certain groups, they have other functions. Like for example, for swimming and tactile. And the legs of water mites have many long and closely set setae that increase their surface in such a way as to make them efficient paddles. Some mites have certain pairs of legs modified as hair-grasping organs. So, there are different types of legs ng mga mites po natin. May mga mas madaming mga hairs, and meron din yung walang hair. The causae of the walking legs of many mites are immovable and so embedded in the skin that they frequently form a exoskeleton. So, that's all. Yan po yung discussion ko ng muscular system of mite.